Hey guys, this is Buddy Blackford here with another Adobe After Effects CS6 tutorial. This time we're going to be talking about position on the graph editor because it's different than any of the other values here. So it won't be the same as rotation because it has different coordinates. So let's get started here. I'm going to click on position and go into the graph editor, and let's see what my settings are. Okay. Now you can see that there are two different colored lines here. One is for the x-axis and one is for the y values. X values and y values. As I hover over, you can see that green is y and x is red. And this will always be the same. It's not going to change color. And then if you have the position in 3D, you can can make this 3D by clicking on the on this little cube here, this 3D cube, and it adds the Z value, which is represented by blue. Now you can't edit these X, Y, and Z's in the graph editor, but you can edit the speed, which is this white line here. And that's how you'll be editing the position values. You gotta edit the position values up here in the comp. So if I edit this, then you can see how the graph changes. You can see that the green line will lower or dip or whatever I do to if I move it. So that's pretty much how you read that graph. You can tell in pixels where the position is by holding over the line in the graph editor. And that's just a quick intro to position keyframes, and I'll get more into them later because position is probably one of the harder things to learn how to make realistic. There's different types of keyframes that we can go over in the future about making your position look a little nicer, and how to edit the graph to make your position keyframes look nicer and have a nice, smooth, realistic animation. So looking forward to teaching you guys that in a future tutorial. I will see you guys later, and make sure you guys have a good weekend.